I want to get in that game. That looks really cool. Who's gonna join? Can I jump in? Okay, so we're kind of on this area called Patane. So we're gonna basically walk down that street. I don't know the name of that street. It's gonna verge off into two different directions. The one that we're on right now is Marginal de Patane Street, and I kind of want to start here because Don Donkey is here, and that's just this huge city block of all Japanese goods. It's very, very popular. I'm hearing a dog bark somewhere. But anyways, we're going to be walking the opposite direction, but I thought I'd start out here and just kind of show you that that's there. And then we're going to be walking down this street. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, so we're going to be walking down this street to the left here. Let's see what we can see through alleys. So we could go all the way across in these directions as well, but we're going to follow this one instead. Basically, we're kind of running parallel to this other main street, so we kind of, let me just walk in here briefly. So you kind of got some like commerce stuff all the way down as well, and you kind of have all these interesting buildings as well. Then we come back out. It's not actually the focus, but it is kind of interesting. And we're going to keep on walking down. And I think we got more of these little alleys here too. So that'll be maybe a little bit of a minor focus tour. But yeah, this one looks like a dead end one. And they have names. So this is actually Travessa da Sampana. So I guess the, anyways, our target street's right here. And it starts right about here. Somebody gave a hello. I think they gave a hello. I don't know. I didn't see it very well. I just saw. I'll see it later in the. That's that is the Marginal de Patane. That direction. I can see some street signs. The Loft. The Loft is actually a bar, but it's closed right now. Definitely closed. But if that place was open, I could I kind of wanted to see what's inside there, because there's one in Taipa as well. I never get to view it. So here's our target street right here, Avenida do Patane. So we're going to be just keep walking down this street. I think this actually has a similar name, so that's our target street. And I thought that was also Marginal de Patane, so I don't know, if I get a chance I'll try to get over there. I don't know how easy it would be to get over there though. I was supposed to go illegally across here. But I'm gonna go across anyways. I kind of want to get over here, and I just want to see what the name of this street is over here. So that was our intended target one. And this is actually called Avenida. Ah, okay. This is Marginal de Mau. So this Mau is a different one, and this one actually ends right here. And so we were actually starting already on our focus street on Avenida Marginal de Patane. This is kind of cool with all these. So it looks like we started on our key street already. Let's see. I think the more interesting side is over that side. So I'm gonna have to try to get over there. Let me just see. We'll just walk into the street briefly so you can see. If I get a chance to get all these illegal cars. So we're gonna go across like this. And I guess I'm gonna go through this bike lane here. And then we're gonna get back to our street and walk down it a little bit further. So yeah, this is, I guess, Marginal de Patane. There are a lot of kind of cool stuff everywhere, like here. It's a barber shop that's really cheap. That barber is 50 to 60. So this is actually a travessa, kind of a short one. It just goes here. We're gonna try to get across here. And keep on walking down. Oh, there's interesting stuff over here. Okay, so here's a supermarket Royal. Actually, we're gonna walk over here. Looks like I haven't been over here. So actually, this street of Maranch goes down that direction, and then this one is this Lam Mao again, and they kind of have some really cool. They're doing some sports in here. So that's actually our target street over there. But because this one is kind of interesting, we're gonna bring the camera through here. Huh, usually I see this in Vietnam. I didn't know that Macau played this game so much. It's kind of cool. There's like a few of them in here. So actually it's really cool. They took a break. Hello. All right. I want to get in that game. That looks really cool. Who's gonna join? Can I jump in? Okay. I'm sorry. Oh, dang. Oh, it's hard. It's hard. Oh. Thank you. So that was pretty cool. We got another one here too. That was a lot of fun. I definitely want to come by and play that some more. That's like really cool game. But actually it takes a lot of strength. It takes a lot of strength to kick it. But that was really fun. I definitely want to do that again. Okay, so we're gonna come back to our main street over here. Whew, that was a good workout too. Whew. I really like that. I could have played there quite a bit longer, but it's pretty hot out. Okay, so now we're so that was kind of the street that we're on. We kind of diverged, and then we should go back to our main street and give a little conclusion before this gets too long. But that was a lot of fun. I definitely want to do that some more. That was really fun. Okay, so we're just going to go back to our main street here, and then we're going to conclude it. I should actually film that, like just put the camera down. But actually that was hard. I'm used to this little Hackysack one that's real small, and I was expecting it to be kind of simple like that, and it wasn't. So that's actually Travessa Marginal du Lamau. And then we're actually at the end of our street, I believe, so we kind of did a little bit of a diversion. That's interesting. They got a wolf pack dim sum there as well. Let me just kind of check this out real quick. Check this out. Tapas. So anyways, that would be the end of our street right there. And we missed this little part right here. Oh, there's a tavern over there. I'm gonna walk over there real quick. That was so much fun. Actually, that's what a great way to exercise. Like, I feel, I think it's actually a grand opening here. But yeah, I feel like it's yeah, retro tavern. Oh, it's kind of cool. So I guess they're just setting up. I think it's a grand opening. So anyways, this was our Target Street. That was the end of it. We had a little bit of fun over there on that side. What a cool part of the city. I like this area. All right. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Toma cuidado la